A baby girl crawls away from her picnic area and slowly enters the edge of a green jungle, curious and unaware of danger. The baby crawls deeper into the jungle. Tall trees surround her, and strange sounds echo all around. Feeling scared and lost, the baby girl starts crying loudly, her voice echoing through the jungle. From behind the bushes, a hungry tiger appears. Its eyes focus on the baby as it slowly walks closer. Suddenly, a strong lion jumps between the baby and the tiger, blocking the tiger's path. The lion roars loudly, shaking the trees. The sound fills the jungle with power and fear. Frightened by the lion's roar, the tiger steps back and runs away into the jungle. The lion turns around and gently sits beside the baby girl, watching over her protectively. Soon, forest rangers find the baby. The lion watches quietly as the baby is safely rescued. Please subscribe for more videos.